In this video, I'm going to show you how to get or find a promo code for Turo. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to head on to Google and then I'm going to type in Turo promo code. And then it'll bring a list of results here. So you got coupon follow, 35% discount. We thrift at 50% off, realtalme.coupons.com. So these are all the big coupon or promo code sites going around at this point in time. So you can click onto any one of these, and if one site doesn't work, check out another site because sometimes these codes expire. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use We Thrift It 50% off. And if I scroll down here, you can see 30% off your first trip, 25% with that code, 10%, 35% off. So if I want to use any one of these codes, what I want to do is click on copy code, and you can actually see the history of this code too. So click on show history and you can see how many uses this code has been used and when was the last used. And it also says this Turo coupon code was reported working by shoppers 3 hours ago. So I'm going to click on copy code, and now that code's going to be pasted to my clipboard. And now I'm going to head on over to Turo, and at the checkout section, look for a part there that says enter promo or discount code. Put in that code and then enjoy your 30% off.